Alright, shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one going. There's a light on, get you guys a little bit of label action. Well, first we're gonna get you some box action, but just looking at the box, you guys know what these are already. Either you love this shoe or you hate this shoe. I bought pairs of these shoes. I got a couple pairs for myself, even though I'll never be able to wear them. I got a couple pairs for trade bait. I just checked this shoe. This shoe bricked harder than any shoe this year. I think this is the biggest brick of the year. But like I said, if you love them, you love them. If you don't, you don't. The shoe reads the Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, University red, white, aka the Jordan 1 Satin Bred. I have the original pair, the men's pair of Breds as well. If I have time, I'll make a video comparing both. This one gives you a little, I guess you can fit both shoes in here. They seem to fit in here perfect, like a little shoe carrying bag. Because I don't recommend you wear these in the rain. So if you're going to wear these in the rain, take this bag with you. You get the good shoe out of here. All right. So, like I said, of course, all the materials on this shoe are satin, as you know. Has a leather interior kind of feel on here. You get a black pair of shoelaces in the shoe. They gave me a busted pair of red laces in a box. This back in here. Both of the eyelets have yellow, the shoelaces have yellow tips on them. Make it easier to go through the eyelets. They don't want you, I guess, to fray this satin. I have seen some people wear these already, and what they say is true, that they will crease probably after the first time that you wear them. So you guys have to take that into consideration. Put the little crease protector in there or whatever. A little bit of top accent to the shoe. This whole toe box is satin, no air holes. So that's why it's going to crease up more so. It's going to look more creasy than normal. You get the little Nike Air at the top, all black tongue. I said a couple of years ago this shoe would have sold out, but I don't know what's going on with the shoes right now. So we got to go through what we got to go through. Like I said, all satin material, black toe box, red toe, black side panel, red satin Nike swoosh, red Nike upper, little black satin again. All this, like I said, is satin through the entire shoe. Same thing on the back, the black to the red, back to the black breakup, all in satin. Black Jumpman, embroidered black Jumpman. Same thing with the black panel of the Nike swoosh. Standard Jordan 1 bottoms, just red colorway. Like I said, black laces come in the shoe. Extra red laces in the box. I hope they give you a better box than they gave me. You guys look what this shoe is going to look like when it's on your foot. You know, if you guys went for a pair of these, let me go, are you going to get a pair of these now that I think these are going for way, way below retail. I don't know what it's going to be the day where you're watching this video, but I think you can go pick these up in resale stores for like $130, at least where I'm at. Like I said, I don't know why this shoe bombed. Let me know what you guys think of it. Like I said, let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Above everything else, everybody stay safe and have a nice day. I think this is the death of the Jordan 1, but I'm still going to keep getting them.